Hey, let me show you unboxing of the Realme 12 5G. This one actually comes from the European distribution. And first of all, let's take a look on the box. On the left side, we can find the name of the device. We got this base information on the back. So we've got the 108 megapixel portrait camera, 45 watt charge, the 5000 mAh battery, dual stereo speakers, and 950 nits sunlight display. Also, this one actually comes in the twilight purple color. This actually version with storage 8 RAM and 256 gigs of the internal storage. So now I'll just remove this foil and we'll take a look what we can find inside. So we'll focus on some box accessories. And now we can finally get rid of this foil. So let's go inside. I was just wondering if I have to cut some other stickers. Okay, make it real. Now let's take a look what we can find right here. Hey, welcome to the Realme family. We've got the SIM tool. Inside we can find the quick guide, the user manual, no, there's the safety guide, and this silicone case. It's actually flexible, but it's not like very thin, so I think it will be actually protect the smartphone properly, but it actually takes a lot of fingerprints. As you can see, I just touch it here and now we can find the fingerprints. Now let's take a look on our smartphone. So it actually comes with this foil, so let's get rid of it. And this is actually the color of the smartphone, the purple twilight. It looks beautiful, honestly. Now we've got these 3 cameras. Take a look, 1, 2, 3, the 108 megapixel sensor. There is the flashlight, the Realme logo. On the left side, we actually cannot find anything. At the bottom, we got the headphone jack, USB-C input, and speaker. On the right side, we can find power button, volume buttons, and at the top, we can find there's probably microphone and this SIM slot. Now okay, and there's also the factory installed screen protector. Just take a look. You can especially find it right here with this camera cutout. And now when I'm gonna press on the power button, we will turn it on. So let's wait for it. There we go, we'll feel vibration. Now we've got the Realme logo, powered by Android. And let's take a look for other accessories. Okay, and right here we can find cable, but okay, I thought that we've got here charger, but it was actually 45 watt charge, not charger. So on the back we can find information that there's no charger inside, and the recommended charger is actually between 25, oh no, it's actually 2.5 watts to 45 watts. So this is actually the standard USB-C to the USB-A cable. And now we can try to turn on the screen, turn on the phone. So now we've got the first setup. I want to show you the SIM card slot. Okay, so I was trying to open the SIM slot and I finally find a way. And in this smartphone, we can actually find input for the SIM card. This is actually the nano SIM card. And the second SIM card we can also input right here. And there's also a slot for the memory card. But you cannot use 2 SIM cards and the memory card. You can use only 2 SIM cards at the same time, or 1 SIM card and the memory card. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.